Hey guys, we now take a look at how you set up your phone number inside of SalesJet. Okay, we're gonna start with message. All right, so we go on configuration. You see that we don't have a phone number at this point, so we need to get a phone number. All right, it takes us to the United States. We can choose other countries depending on where we are doing our marketing. We do marketing in different states and different countries, and therefore we want to have a phone number for each country. And we can even choose an area code. In this case, we don't really care. We're gonna just take a phone number. So we're gonna take, let's say, a Florida phone number. So in this case, we want it to be message enabled and voice enabled. We will be able to send and receive messages and send and receive phone calls, make and receive phone calls. So in this case, we're going to buy this number. We want it to be able to process messages and process incoming calls. Okay, we are buying the number. Good, now it's our number. That's it. That's all we have to do. Now we are ready to roll with our number. Now, it may be, though, that in some instances, due to the fact that the phone number costs $1.50 per month, you might not have enough money at that point in time. In this case, you're going to go to Access and Billing. The system will take you directly there, and you will be able to add funds. Okay, we had some funds here to do these demonstrations and add more funds and proceed with our activities. Okay, whatever that is, it's quite normal that when you start to send a large number of messages, you see, you need to start sending a lot of message. You need to add funds because we always need to have $3 or more on the account. Some of our customers go and send thousands and thousands of dollars of messages every week. So this is something that we have set up for you. You just add funds, submit a payment. SalesJet remembers your payment system, so it's very simple to handle. All right, so this is it for what is related to our message. As you can see here, we have the setup. And the system can right away send message with the phone that you have purchased. It's really a matter of minutes and you're ready to go. Now we're going to take a look at phone calls.